What's up mga pre? JD Vlog again. May nakita na naman ako dito sa Nooks Top 5, which is Top 10 Scary Ghost Video to give you pit stains. Check natin to mga pre kung gaano siya nakakatakot. And ngayon, pinatay ko muna yung ilaw para ma-feel ko na nanonood talaga ako ng horror. At saka matakot talaga if ever. At yun, banatan na natin to pre. Let's go.
Top 10 ghosts caught on camera. Something in the sewer. Now, this
Something in the
next strange
sewer.
video was recorded for educational purposes by the Athens, Georgia Public Utilities Department. The clips were actually filmed as an educational video for kids to show children what you can and can't flush down a toilet. The footage shows a robotic camera being guided through a long sewer system. Everything appears normal until the camera approaches something very strange in the dark water.
Wala ka. Oh, shit, gumalaw.
Something that almost looks like a small headless pale torso appears to be disturbed by the camera, and a creepy looking hand seems to reach out and attempt to grab at the lens.
Ano yun, no?
Now, I have no idea what this is, and neither does anyone at the Athens Public Utilities Department. They claim the footage is still under investigation.
May
So for
kamay
now,
siya eh.
this eerie figure is a complete
Di pwedeng
and
turtle
total
to something.
mystery.
Kasi may kamay
We
eh.
know about the happy face.
Sorry.
He's my father.
Commercial.
The Ghosts of the Queen Mary. Paranormal investigator and author Brandon Alvis, who some of you might know from the popular TV series Ghost Hunters, has dedicated many years of his life to researching and recording the paranormal. But even for Brandon, there
Gusto kong matry to yung nag-explore ka ng mga ganto-gantong na mga haunted house or something. Ewan ko lang kung meron dito sa Canada ng ganon. Comment down below nyo lang yung mga nasa Canada if ever para kung meron man di natin alam baka lumakas yung loob ko puntahan ko din. Pero maghanap pa rin ako kasama syempre. Let's go.
is one investigation that stands out as particularly creepy. And that is the investigation of the historic RMS Queen Mary. The RMS
Laki yung
Queen
barko
Mary
niya,
sailed
na.
the North Atlantic Ocean from 1936 to 1967, serving as both a cruise ship and even an Allied troop ship during World War II. The ship has seen its fair share of tragic deaths, one of them being that of a little girl who drowned in the ship's swimming pool.
Yun
Many
lang.
visitors and employees claim that the ship's swimming pool area is very haunted, and some even say that they've seen the spirits of both women and children dressed in 1930s style swimsuits. While investigating the swimming pool area, Brandon and a fellow investigator both hear something disturbing.
Pusa lang nga tayo ni. Parang pusa.
Come close.
Parang narinig ko lang meow.
No way. Get out.
An unknown voice yells out from somewhere nearby.
O diba, parang pusa lang siya. Meow. O yun, hindi
But
na
that's
pusa
not all
yun.
that Brendan captured on the RMS Queen Mary. Now, Brendan is completely alone except for one other investigator and a security guard. The pool is empty and is no longer in use, and the area is off limits to all other guests. So what happens next is truly chilling.
Fudge!
Did you
Grabe!
see it?
Yeah!
Someone or something can be seen in one of the swimming pool changing stalls. The
Grabe!
chilling figure appears to have
Nangilabot ako dun.
glowing eyes as it watches the small group
Grabe.
from the shadows.
Nakakatakot yun
Brandon says that they did not see anything at the time of the recording. So just who or what is lurking in the dark? Let
Shit!
me know what you think.
Grabe!
You can read about Brandon Alvis's spooky experiences
Ulit-ulit
while
pa.
investigating haunted places in his new book, Elements of a Haunting. Cradle
Grabe,
Creeper.
nagpakita yung
Proud
bata.
parents Kaylee and Stuart have a TikTok account dedicated
Kaya gustong-gusto ko si Nux eh.
to their newborn daughter,
Gaganda ng mga
Renee.
video niya.
The account usually chronicles happy experiences from the young family's life. So when this next video was posted, their viewers were shocked.
No way. Wala ko. Whoa. What is that? Oh, what the heck?
Night vision cameras first capture a bizarre unexplained shadow in the upper left corner of the room.
Mhm.
Then what seems like a creepy little hand can be seen clawing at little Ren May's crib mattress.
Bro,
The newborn
parang
sleeps right through
gumaganyan
it,
siya, oh.
but Dad Stewart hears the noise and wakes up. And just as Stewart looks over at the crib, the hand quickly disappears out of sight. Parents Kaylee and Stewart are very disturbed by the incident and say that they have no idea what they captured on camera.
Grabe, nakakatakot naman yun.
Basically freedom. It's a giant
Makikita ko lang yun. Ay, Diyos ko po.
Haunted
Ewan
by
ko
the
lang.
past. Paranormal investigator Alex from the YouTube channel Hunting the Unknown is joined by his friend Tony as they set out to investigate the allegedly haunted Knowlton Church in Dorset, England. The ancient church has been left in ruins, sitting in an empty field. However, this wasn't always the case. Over 500 years ago, the church was surrounded by a thriving English village. Then, tragedy struck. In the year 1485, all of the village's inhabitants, men, women, and children, were struck down by the sickness of the bubonic plague, aka the Black Death. No
Black
one
Death?
in the village survived. The old crumbling church is said to be forever haunted by their spirits. So, cut back to modern times, and in the
For sure yan eh. Marami kasing namatay eh. For sure yan. Maraming multo siguro
dark of
dito.
night, the two investigative
Mga
team
natrap.
Hunting the Unknown explore the old Knowlton Church. They get a few responses from their spirit box, and their motion-activated lights are triggered a few times. But nothing too dramatic. That is, except for when they start to explore with their thermal camera. What they catch is shocking.
So guys, we're gonna try something new where we've got a thermal camera attached to my phone. We're gonna try
You got a camera touch my phone.
and turn it on and see if we can try and like see anything on camera. The balls are still got enough fizz, we're gonna try and aim it in
The
this direction
balls.
and see what we can get. So let's get into that. I don't know if that camera.
Vlogger na vlogger eh.
Fuck. Oh man, what the we just caught?
What?
What?
What happened? Whoa. Whoa.
Oh no way! Literally just there, mate.
Whoa.
It's there. Whatever it is there, bro. Mate.
Whoa.
Mate, that's a person.
Look, it's like a kid runs off over there behind that.
Yeah.
Like here.
Over in the corner.
It runs off here and it goes like that into here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What? Come on.
Wow.
A childlike figure can be seen running past Alex and then disappearing right into a solid stone wall. The investigators are shocked by their capture of what appears to be a child spirit running around in the church. So could this be the ghost of a little boy or girl who was one of the tragic victims of the plague so many centuries ago? Let me know your thoughts
Maybe.
down below.
Maybe.
Before we move on to the next video, if you see anything that you think should be included in the top 5, contact us at nukestop5@gmail.com. The Newbern Haunting. Sam Aldridge, his wife, and 2 young children live in a beautiful home in Newbern, North Carolina that was built in the late 1950s. Although
Parang ano yun parang Insidious yun
the home is charming and
Red Door.
spacious, Sam says that the property's history is not good. One of the previous owners passed away in the upstairs master bedroom,
Ay, Diyos ko
and the
po.
remains of 2 unidentified individuals were found buried in the backyard. Cause of death unknown. Sam and his wife have both witnessed creepy, unexplained activity in the house, and they believe their
Oh,
home
no.
might be haunted. Even their family dog Loki seems very disturbed by what's going on.
He has no shot collar, no shot collar at all. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off just so you'll know that there's nothing there. Come on, bud. Hey, it's okay. It's okay, buddy.
Uy, saan ka pupunta?
Tail down.
Uy! Sorry, ang daming ads.
Oh,
Pero,
I posted it.
ano yun? Siya yun? May naririnig din siya, oh.
See, me and him both heard that. And see, now he's gonna fucking run and leave me up here like a douchebag. See? Straight up.
Bababa na siya.
Sam says that not only
Natatakot
does the
din yung
house have
aso.
an odd history, but an odd layout as well. In particular, there is a strange door upstairs that seems to lead nowhere, and has no stairs leading up to it. In a video, as Sam explains where the door is located, he captures something downright creepy.
No way.
You can kind of see just how high up that door actually is.
No way.
If you're on the bottom floor. Yeah, you're looking at 10 plus 8. You're looking at least 8.
Uy, may shadow dun, oh. May dumaan na shadow.
Coming down. Why the
A strange shadow figure can be seen,
You
and
know?
2 different voices can be heard seemingly speaking to Sam.
If you're on the bottom floor, bottom floor, bottom floor. Why the
Watch out.
Sam has no idea what he just captured and simply explains that the area behind the door is attic storage space. So, one night Sam begins to hear strange sounds throughout his house. He hits record on his phone and goes to investigate. And that's when he sees something that shocks
Oh,
him
no,
to
no,
his
no, no,
core.
no, 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 no. Huwag mo sabihin nakakita ka. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, what the heck? Asan? Oh, again. No way. Bro, yun yung camera mo, daan-daan. Oh. Dahan-dahan siya. Oh. Oh, yun.
holy
What looks like creepy, glowing, wide-set eyes seem to appear out of the darkness, peering at Sam as he stares back in terror. Whatever it is, then just seems to disappear. And
Pang
that's
ilan na
not all
tayo,
Sam is
Nox?
captured inside his haunted
Diyos ko po.
home. The creepy activity even starts to occur in the middle of the day.
Anong number na tayo, Nooks? Nasa kalahati pa lang tayo, leche. Oh, yun na. Lumalakas na yung nagpaparamdam. Bro, you better get out of there.
A loud sound startles Sam, and when he turns around, a white translucent figure appears to push a
Shit.
rocking horse, causing it to rock slowly back and forth. Now, with all this collected and highly disturbing footage, Of course, Sam's TikTok following is undecided on whether to believe his story or just write it off as another elaborate TikTok hoax. So is it real supernatural activity or just some very good editing? As always, I leave that up to you to decide.
Hindi natin alam, di ba?
Of
Kung edit
Shadows.
lang yun.
Japanese paranormal YouTuber Takechi
Japanese
Camera
na
travels
naman
to a
tayo.
creepy abandoned village somewhere in the mountains of Japan. Over the years, many curious visitors to the old deserted village have claimed to experience terrifying paranormal activity. So the YouTuber decides to see for himself if the ghost stories are true. Takuchi goes inside one of the few remaining homes in the village to start his investigation. But no sooner than he gets all of his camera equipment set up, he starts to hear strange footsteps just outside the building.
Yun lang.
ほらほらほらあっち来てる
Sa mga Japanese talaga, natatakot talaga ako kasi minsan talagang binibigla ka ng mga ano eh, ng mga multo eh.
影が来てる影がいっぱい影おる
Kogyo?
多分一人
Korean
じゃ
yun
ない
ah.
マジ
Oh shit.
囲まれてるこれどうなんの
So na ano,
ちょっと待って静か静か静か静か
shika shika.
静か静かちょっと待って気配消して完全に気配消す
Sabi niya quiet pero nagsasalita siya, nagsasalita.
ほらほらほら来てる来てる来てるマジマジ嘘やろ嘘やろ嘘やろ嘘やろえどういう状況
Takuchi watches in horror as someone seems to be walking around his equipment just outside the abandoned home. Fearing the
Baka
worst,
may
Takuchi
tao lang
believes
eh,
that
no?
there might be squatters or other people roaming around the abandoned village.
Yeah,
He
right.
decides that the situation is just too unsafe and decides to leave. Now, as if that wasn't creepy enough, Takuchi has no idea that this isn't the only spooky event that he recorded that night. Later, he's checking back over his footage, and he notices that as he was recording his video intro, he caught something absolutely chilling.
What?
ちょっと待っていやい
Oo.
やいやいやちょっと待って
Oo, feeling ko sa likod. Oo.
嘘やろちょっと待っていやあかんそう皆様お久しぶりでございます今日はですねとある
Yung tipong wala ka ng pakialam sa nagsasalita, tinitignan mo yung nasa likod niya agad. Kayo din ba? Tinitignan yung sa likod niya.
配送に来ているんですけれども僕の動画を見ていただいている方の中には幽霊の存在を信じてない方も多いかと思います僕もですね今までいろんな心霊スポットに行ってとても危険な目に遭ってきましたですが幽霊の存在を 100% 信じているわけではありませんなので今日もですねいろんな取れ高アイテムを持ってきましたので
Wala akong nakikita sa likod niya.
それを使って幽霊の存在を証明していきたいと思います来てるな
Saan? Wala akong makakita.
Takuchi
ayun!
is completely unaware that
May
just
shadow.
behind him, a bizarre shadow-like figure is slowly approaching. So could it be that the
Ang laki
paranormal
naman.
YouTuber captured one of the spirits that previous visitors claimed to have seen? Or just what is this? Let me know what you think. Afraid of the dark.
Grabe,
The
number
following
4
footage was shared to
pa lang
Reddit by a
tayo.
concerned father who believes that his family might be dealing with an evil presence inside their home. He says that they've all seen and heard things in their house that they can't explain. So, late one night, the static camera in their kitchen captures this eerie sound.
Oh, fudge. Sakit sa tenga.
This bizarre high-pitched sound was heard at 3:25 in the morning. Now, Reddit users are quick to write it
3:25
off as
morning.
either cars outside or the screeching of old plumbing. But the man who posted the video is not so convinced. Later, the worried father shares another video captured by his security camera. In the video, his daughter seems to get the scare of a lifetime.
Mm-hmm.
Ad.
Add.
Another ad.
Skip. Sorry, Nooks. Wait.
The young girl is woken up when her radio suddenly turns on. The girl then claims that she saw a shadowy figure just standing in her room. She lets out
What?
a piercing scream as she jumps from her bed and runs to her parents' bedroom. Her parents rush to her room to check it out, but they don't find anything. So what do you think is going on here? Is this just a child's overactive
Hindi naman nagsisinungaling yung mga bata, di ba?
imagination or a nightmare? Or could the girl actually have seen a scary shadow figure standing in her bedroom?
Might be
Either
nightmare.
way, I believe that one thing is certain, and that is that her terrified reaction is in no way fake or staged.
Exactly, right?
But you decide. The never-ending nightmare. These next creepy videos were recorded by Kathy Gallinger from the YouTube channel Paranormal Nightmares. I originally featured Kathy years ago after she began to experience unexplained activity in her home in Canada.
Okay guys, so I came in my room.
Activity
Grabe naman yung aso dito. Binigyan pa nila ng kilay.
in her home in Canada.
Nainip yung owner.
Guys, so I came in my room, heard a noise in the closet again. Closet's open. The dog hasn't left. Let's see what you hear.
Mm-hmm. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yan. Ooh! Fudge!
Now, the activity has begun to
Grabe
affect not
naman.
only her cute little dog Lucy, but also her cats Salem and Stormy as well.
What? Mhm. Ano yun? Sinasaktan niya yung mga pusa?
Stormy violently hisses at something that we can't see, and then jumps onto the kitchen counter to hide. Now, maybe this footage can simply be explained away as a cat just being weird. But this next clip is a lot harder to explain, and this time it's Kathy's other cat, Salem, that is caught in a quote, paranormal nightmare.
Ay, Diyos ko po. Ayoko nakikita yung mga manika na to. Grabe. Ay, Diyos ko po. No way.
Salem appears to be spooked and is keeping a close eye on an old doll. Then an
Bro.
ominous dark cloud of smoke appears out of thin air, frightening the cat and sending it dashing away in fear. Kathy
Oh,
believes that her collection of
malapit pa
antique dolls
talaga.
might have spirits attached to them. She thinks that these spirits might be causing the terrifying activity in her home. But
Grabe.
what do you think? I highly recommend checking out Kathy's YouTube channel, Paranormal Nightmares, where she shares the many captures of supernatural activity in her home, lurking outside. TikTok user Bruno5M claims that he and his family
Ayaw ko talaga nakikita yung mga doll na ganun. Na may mga parang tutong mata.
often see
Ay,
strange
po.
things around their farm in Tucumán, Argentina, including the mysterious figure of a young girl dressed all in black, roaming the countryside. One night, without the family knowing, Bruno's young sister sees something outside her window, moving around in the dark. Inexplicably, she sneaks out to record all on her own.
Inexplicably.
And needless to say, it did not go well.
Hola chicos, estoy grabando
Hola,
este
chico.
video porque mi papá
Mi
y mi mamá
papa,
se fueron a comprar una cosa en el almacén y mi hermano Seban
mi hermano.
está en la pieza, pero yo sentí el olor raro por acá.
Ba't pinupuntahan mo pa?
Pero quiero tratar de grabar. ¡Ah! Miren eso.
Asan?
Ay,
Bro, ba't pinuntahan
The
mo pa
girl's
kasi?
mother says that he and his family are shocked that
Oh.
the young girl went outside to film on her
What the
own.
heck?
He says that she is doing fine, but is still a bit shaken up by the strange encounter to this
Tingnan yung mga mata. Grabe.
day. So what do you think this creepy figure with glowing eyes could be? Paranormal or not, I leave it to you to decide.
Ang lakas naman loob niya. Talagang pinuntahan niya, binidyo niya pa. Ay, Diyos ko.
Run.
Run.
YouTube user Adam Lowen and two of his friends are exploring an allegedly haunted house in Portland, Oregon. He says that he has heard strange, unexplained noises there in the middle of the night and has even
Okay.
seen things moving around in the dark. They plan to record proof of what Adam believes to be paranormal phenomenon. It did not go well.
Turn on your flashlight. Okay.
No, but seriously, dude, if you die, I have to go home, and that's not very fun.
No, that's hilarious.
They locked it. What the
This is so not locked, dude. Check it out.
Woo!
Say that again.
Dude, somebody's told to live down here.
All right, wait. Where? Okay. Over here. What are you doing? Is it on? Yeah. What's going on? All right. We have to go. Go. Come on. Dude, I'm not going in there. I'm not going there. Go. Nicole, I think you should go. Go. We should get out of there. Dude, there's spider webs. No, all right. Dude, let's leave. Afraid of spiders. Dude, come on. What? All right, go.
Lakas ng loob nila.
All right, let me get some footing here. It's kind of hard.
Dude, just go. Hurry up. You go.
Ano ba yun? Oh, shit!
Dude, what the what was it? Get it, go!
A white, shapeless apparition scares the out of them as it screeches out of a doorway, and the three friends run out of the house in abject terror. Now, this original video was uploaded way back in 2008, but to this day, Adam says that he has no explanation for what happened that night. Adam's never posted another paranormal video on his channel. He says that since that night, he has stayed away from the paranormal and has just dedicated his channel to his love for music and video games. So is it real? Or is it all just a 14-year-old elaborate hoax? I leave it up to you to decide.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. My post schedule is just kinda all off now.
Ayun po no mga pre. Salamat sa panonood. And then sana nag-enjoy kayo. Please like, comment, and subscribe na din. And paki-share na rin yung yung video para dumagdag yung mga subscriber natin. And sana nag-enjoy kayo mga pre. And then peace.